So, you guys, Allie Pearl sent me a wig. This wig looks crazy. It was just for work. So this is what the box looks like. It had like a really cute bow on it, and I will give them that very cute promo. And inside the box is lashes, a mirror, a pink edge brush, love that, a wig bag, a sparkly wig band, super cute, and some wig caps. And now for the wig. This is how she came. She was all like in the stuff. But look at this lace. This wig is 14 inches. It is a 13 by 4, 250 density. It has like the highlights in it already, which I actually love. This is what the lace looks like, if you can see. We're gonna see how it looks toned. I'm gonna tone it. I don't even think I need to tone it, honestly. But this is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna go drop this off to the suite real quick. I just got off work. It's Sunday. I'm getting my hair done on Tuesday. So let's go drop this off. I don't know if I like the lighting. I'm about to wash my face real quick. So I'm using this Cervive face soap. I think I want to switch over to Dial soap for my face, because in my dream last night, why does the person like get on my ass about my acne on my like I have slight acne on my cheeks, and y'all know I rarely ever just break out for real. So the fact that someone in my dream just got on me like that, like what? But let's do this real quick. Brush my teeth, you know, get ready for the day. So yeah. So I'm just gonna wash these dishes real quick, just so my area can be clean, and then I'm gonna eat real quick. And then I'm gonna take a shower and start our day. So, BRB. So I'm literally, I didn't get to like show y'all when I was leaving the house because I'm running late, per usual. And I look crazy, but I don't really care. And I'm gonna get there at 4:15, but I still got stuff at the beauty supply, but it's literally right by my suite. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to drive. So yeah, I brought everything with me just because damn, I didn't bring my tripod. It's fine. I just hold the phone. See y'all when I get to my appointment. I don't have lashes on, so I look ugly, but here we are. Stop touching my head like that. I said, why are you touching my head like that? I don't know. Oh, did you want to shave some of them off?
I don't think so.
Okay.
You're not like hair all down here and shit.
That's because I took it off already. Maya doesn't really have a lot to say today. We usually, you know, are very, you know, talkative, and we're gonna talk shit to each other. But I think today we're calm.
We were. Yeah. My lips are dry. Kind of tired, just a little. Really want to go swimming. Ooh. The slick styles and me, they go like peanut butter and jelly.
What's crazy is I cannot feel that.
It's cold.
I still can't feel it.
Really?
Yes. Like, I don't feel shit on my scalp. They're gonna be like, oh my god, your hair is so cute. Yeah, bitch. You know who did it, bitch. Act like you fucking know.
Boundaries. That's why she gotta tell him.
Y'all, my hair is so cute. And I'm getting my makeup done. I'm probably gonna be late to my meeting, but it's okay. Because I'm alive.
What I want to do on you next, I want to do that cute hairstyle with like the braids and the one in the...
It's like I have a fucking glam squad.
You do? That's why. Don't you got it?
Yeah, this is how it's gonna be when I get famous. We just did content, but I'm literally late to my work meeting. About to get fired. Woo. I didn't mean to press that. I accidentally pressed it.
Yeah, I would be doing that on its own. That should be triggering.
What a good as fuck. Is it good?
Finger licking good.
Yo.
Who eats cute to eat a burger? Who looks cute to eat a burger?
Me? No. I hope we close.
Me too. I wish this was like a milkshake. This would have been, oh my
Oh yeah,
God.
would have buzzed. It would have buzzed. So, I'm at work. Finally got dressed. Let me show you how I look.
Your video in the back?
Yeah. You always in everybody YouTube video. Head of the vlog. You finna be up here soon, so they might as well just start getting to know your face. Oh, now you want to be nice. In the bathroom, because I feel like it looks better in here. And the music is all up. The BBL is BBLing. What are you talking about? I feel like I look. I know I ended this a little chaotic the last time you guys saw me. My wig looks a little rippled, but we're not gonna focus on that because I can fix that later. I literally just woke up and was on go. But I'm going to Trader Joe's right now, and I'm gonna show y'all what I get, and I'm gonna do a little Trader Joe haul for the girls. I actually do really like Trader Joe's. I don't go to it as often as I should because I just hate having to go to separate grocery stores. The skin is skinning. Some eyelash extensions would really eat, but yeah. So gonna go to Trader Joe's, get some stuff, and I'm gonna bring it with me. This is my cart. I hate when there's trash in the background. Okay, so I got sparkling water because I like those a lot. If you're ever hungover, drink a sparkling water with lemon. Got some cereal. I really like Special K, so I got these. And then I got this chili crunch, this chili onion, crunchy chili onion. Everyone's always talking about this. I got 2 yams. I got a thing of tuna because I like tuna. I got some everything bagel seasoning. My nose really itches, y'all. I got some orange chicken, green beans, Brussels sprouts. I got 2 boxes of the chicken dumplings. I got 2 boxes of the Jamaican beef patties. Frozen garlic. It's good for cooking. I wanted to try this overnight oats stuff, so I got this overnight oats. I got some cream cheese. I got frozen salmon. This chicken marsala with mashed potatoes. You know, like one day when I'm lazy to eat that. Chicken quesadillas. I got these chicken buffalo style chicken poppers. I'm actually looking forward to eating those. I got smoked salmon because I put them like on a cracker with cream cheese and cucumber and a little bit of the everything bagel seasoning, and it's fire. Then I got these chicken spring rolls, and then I got organic milk and apple juice. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt from yesterday, and no, I don't care. It's just a shirt. But I'm back in my car. I got my car back. I'm excited. I went to go eat earlier with my friend, and I told him my car was ready. So, you know, I had to go. And I got some voodoo donuts on the way home. They're only $2 each, which is not bad at all. I'm about to go home and take a mini nap, and then around 7 I have a photo shoot for my my brand, my rebrand. So I'm gonna announce my rebrand. Let me turn the air down, it's probably blasting. I'm gonna announce my rebrand or whatever for my business, and then yeah, I'll do that at 7, and then around like 9, 10-ish, I'm gonna be filming a drink, a truth or drink. I honestly think I should film that on my camera because I know I'm not gonna have enough space on my phone for all of these videos. So yeah, we'll get back to that. But anyways, yeah, I'll be back later to show you guys everything. But honestly, I don't know if I should just end this vlog now and edit it. I feel like I should. So I'm just gonna end this vlog now. Yeah, because I don't have enough space on my phone. So you guys, I fuck with y'all. I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog because I enjoyed it. Yeah, so this is just a little vlog of, you know, my life. So, and you guys like these videos, so I'm gonna continue to do them. But yeah, love you guys. It's been real. Bye.